I'm just saying, I make a way better latte. The gym's looking kind of busy. I always walk in, and if anyone sees the car, they ask what I do. So unfortunately, our position on ticker symbol CVS and AMD did just drop into the red on both of them. We're down about 5% now on CVS and essentially flat, down 0.75% on ticker symbol AMD. It is 1:30. We've got 30 minutes until FOMC. How much do I need to start trading? I get this question all the time. And what I say is when you're starting out, you should actually start out with $0. Why I say that is because you want to start out trading with paper money, fake capital. It is the best way to learn. You will inevitably do things that are just beginner mistakes that wouldn't have even been avoidable, that you just have to experience. So why do that with real money that you might actually lose, right? I actually can't believe how fast it got cold out, but luckily I got the new merch. So the market did just close, and I wanted to update you guys on the end of day P&L. We really didn't see much movement after FOMC. The market is up. We closed at record highs, but it was only like an inch up slider off of the record high that was made right before the meeting started. However, if I share my screen, you guys can see we actually did end up closing the day 0.25% in the green on ticker symbol AMD and 0.23% on CVS. So virtually flat on both of these trades. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, guys, so we just had a new trade come through on my software on ticker symbol NVDA. So let's go ahead. Let's pull up the NVDA. March 2025, 182 calls. Way out of the money, okay? Way out of the money. Now, when this came in, the contracts were going for 600 a contract. They're already going for 615. I'm gonna go ahead, buy up 3,000 worth of these. So we will go ahead and buy up 5 contracts at 615. And there we go. We got the fill. Let's go ahead, let the team inside the mentorship group know that I did just get filled and that I am in this new position. All right, I'm in some Nvidia, March 21st, 2025, 182 calls filled at 615. You can see here on my broker, 615 fills. We'll go ahead and we'll send this out. All right, so it is 3:46. CVS has just been pretty much trading sideways for the last hour or so. Kind of broke out here in the last couple minutes. Looks like we're starting to pull back into the close because of the reasons noted before. Fear and greed index being extremely high, SPY just making a new record high, and actually as we head into close has just formed another record high. I do think we are inbound and due for a retracement, so that means I'm going to go ahead and secure a profit here on ticker symbol CVS. You can see here we've just been trading. After 3 attempts, we were not able to break above that key level of resistance. However, I am currently up 24%. So we're going to go ahead. We are going to create a closing order and we're going to send this order through. And then I'm going to notify the team inside my mentorship group that I did end up exiting CVS. So there we go. Looks like we got filled on a couple of our contracts there. See if we can shake out the rest. Got a couple more on the table, and I did let the team know that I'm locking in profit. All right, there we go. We just got filled on CVS. That means we are totally out of this position. You can see here on my live broker, here's the statement. That was my exit. And then if we go back, you can see here my entry. So entry got filled at 144, sold at 179 a contract. There we go, just threw that in my journal. We can see here on a 10-minute time frame, my entry, we caught this nice move, and my exit, 23.74% net ROI, $721. Nothing crazy, but not a bad day. Can't complain. Profit is profit. All right, the bell is about to go off. An interesting session today. Secured a little profit, still in a couple positions, and I actually just ended up entering another trade on ticker symbol HOOD. And I just sent that out as well to the software license holders. We'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. I guess that's pretty much my day today. I gotta sit down, do some work, nothing that interesting that you guys would wanna watch. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. We nailed that exit on CVS. Check this out. Now you can see here, if I pull up ticker symbol CVS, our exit yesterday right here on the chart. You can see obviously under that resistance, which we rejected at multiple times. And then look at this. CVS is actually down about 6%. We just saw a huge pullback heading into open. And if I head over to a 4-hour time frame, you can really see here just how significant this pullback was. I would say that was quite literally a textbook exit. Like, we nailed that to a T. We did our TA, we got out, we locked in those profits, and if we had held this thing overnight, guys, we would have given back all of our gains. Now, with that said, the market opens in about 1 minute. We're gonna start up our live trading session, and I did enter another trade yesterday on ticker symbol HOOD, so we're gonna keep an eye on that as well. But market's just sitting extremely high, so I don't know. I think we are going to come off of these levels. I got in another software trade yesterday on Hood, which is up like 4%. And then Nvidia, we did, we saw a really nice push yesterday, and we've caught about 6% of this move as well. And I'm just keeping an eye on 141.09, kind of similar story to CVS here. So if we break that high, definitely could see some more movement, but I don't know. We'll kind of just keep an eye on that one. This is kind of fun. I get to check in every morning, and we're just keeping an eye on these trades. So it's the next morning, and I figured why not just keep recording. And let's see, yesterday was good. We got some new merch. We've got these new hoodies, which are perfect for the winter weather. I'm going to write some cards, package these up, and send them out to my students that actually won the giveaway last month. And we're gonna grab some coffee right now, head up to my setup, hop on live, and start our day. All right, so it is 9:26. Let's power this on. We've got a couple big movers heading into the open, so let's go ahead, get everything pulled up. All right, I'm really keeping an eye on Nvidia right here. We are testing a really key area of resistance. Also, Nvidia's all-time high on the 4-hour, 141.09. And it looks like I'm currently up about 23% on Nvidia. It looks like PDD, we also just got some follow through on. For those who are in with me, PDD is up about 25% as well. We're down about 3% on the day. Looks like after hours, or the majority of this move happened pre-market this morning. We pulled back about 3%, and it looks like we're seeing a continuation of that movement off the open. So for me, this is just my way of really helping you guys out as much as I can. Something in the past I thought about doing, and I'm like, I'm ready for it. I got the setup. I've got my 3 screens. I can record them all. Now I'm in a position to be able to live stream. So I'm gonna start doing it every morning with you guys, and we'll follow the trades that I'm in. If any trades come through on the software, we'll enter them. You know, I'm here to answer questions as well. So you guys are more than welcome to ask away. 41. Looks like there we go, guys. We just got our alert on Nvidia, so we are beginning our test, up 3.41%. Let's go. Look at that bounce. All right, here we go, guys. We're testing, and we form a new all-time high on Nvidia, up 33%. There we go. Let's go. Come on, who's in this with me? Is anyone in Nvidia? Alex, you took profit. All right, congrats. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and lock in this profit on Nvidia, see if we can get this order filled. All right, there we go. Locked profit in on Nvidia, 35% gains, team. We're gonna go ahead, let everyone else know that I did lock in profit. That was just a beautiful move, a nice push. We were patient with this one, and patience pays. 32.52 is the exact return on this one. We'll go ahead, we'll send that out. Also, thank you to the software. That was a freaking amazing trade. I don't think I could have had a better exit on Nvidia. Check that out. There's my exit right there. That was probably one of my favorite live trading sessions in the last couple of weeks that we've had. This is something new that I've started doing that I just enjoy so much. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to join, if you want to trade live with me every single morning and have access to see and copy my trades. I came here probably the most, honestly, when I had my office here in the city. And now my house is outside the city. There's just not a whole lot of reason to be here. But I just worked out and I don't know why. I just got a craving for Chipotle. All right, I just wanted to check in on ticker symbol PDD, and it actually looks like we're up $600 on the day and $1,000 on the open, up about 26% on these contracts. Let's head over to a 1 minute time frame. You guys can see here on a 1 minute time frame, we didn't quite break this morning's low at 122.32, but I really want to see this momentum continue, and hopefully we could squeeze a whole lot more than 30% out of this position. And it looks like the whole market has sold off heading into close. We got about 25 more minutes left and no new trades on today. All right, so I am going to package up a couple sweatshirts. We're gonna send them out to our 3 giveaway winners, Nathan, Nico, and Chris, all students inside my mentorship group that I've been working with that really deserve it, and I thought I'd write them a letter as well. So I grabbed a couple cards. Alright, so the merch has been sent out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do join the mentorship, I look forward to working with you. I'll put a link in the description below. I really had fun taking you guys along the last week and a half, and I'll see you in the next one.